This next exercise is called a prone hamstring curl. The purpose of the exercise is to strengthen the hamstrings, which are the big muscles on the back of the thigh. They go from kind of your buttock down to the back of your knee. And we'll often use these in our knee patients, or sometimes our hip patients, or even our low back patients if they have some weakness there. So how you'll do this is you'll lie on your stomach. As shown here, Kyle's on his stomach on one of our tables. You can do this. I'd recommend doing this on your bed at home versus on the floor, just so you get full range of motion of the knee. So Kyle's feet are off the edge of the table here. Your feet would be off the edge of the bed. And then the exercise itself is you're going to stiffen the stomach a little bit, stiffen the core, so your core stays, your spine stays in a good position. And then you're just going to bring your heels up towards your buttock. Just go as far as you can. Again, without letting the hips come up or any kind of twisting or anything like that. And you're just bringing your heels up as close to your buttock as you can. Now, if you have some tightness on the front of your thighs, you may not go as far as Kyle shows here, and that's okay. You just go as far as you feel you can. Now, for some of our folks, we will progress to using weights. We have ankle weights here. Kyle's just going to quickly show you where they go and how to do that. The movement stays exactly the same. And again, you're going to be on your stomach. Again, I would do these on the bed versus on the floor, just again, so your knees can go through full range of motion there. So he's going to create some stiffness in his core, bring his heels up towards his buttock. And you can also do these if you want, one at a time. So your therapist for some reason may have you do just one at a time. So you would do maybe 10 or 15 on the one, then 10 or 15 on the other. We usually recommend doing 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. This is called a prone hamstring curl.